Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make mousse cake without an oven. First, prepare your no-bake base. Crush about 200 grams of your favorite biscuits until they are fine crumbs. Then, combine these crumbs with 100 grams of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 6-inch springform pan. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to chill and set while you prepare the mousse. Next, let's create that luscious mousse filling. Start by blooming 10 grams of gelatin in 50 milliliters of cold water. Let it sit for 5 minutes. In a separate bowl, whip 400 milliliters of heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Gently fold in 200 grams of your preferred melted chocolate and 50 grams of powdered sugar. Ensure everything is well combined for a smooth texture. Now it's time to bring it all together. Gently warm your bloomed gelatin until it's fully dissolved, being careful not to boil it. Carefully fold this dissolved gelatin into your prepared mousse mixture. Once combined, pour the entire mousse over your chilled biscuit base in the springform pan. Use a spatula to smooth the top evenly, ensuring a beautiful finish. The final, crucial step is chilling. Place your assembled mousse cake in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set completely. Once firm, carefully remove it from the springform pan. You can then decorate it with fresh berries, chocolate shavings, or a dusting of cocoa powder. Slice and savor your homemade, no-bake mousse cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.